The Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2 vacuum lets you sweep, vacuum, and dust with one convenient machine. With Ball technology, steering around furniture and in difficult places becomes as easy as a turn of your wrist. And its self-adjusting cleaner head automatically raises or lowers depending on the surface for an effortless deep clean. The instant release wand and long hose allow you to easily clean areas that are usually hard to reach. Radial root cyclone technology helps capture more microscopic dust, and the HEPA filter ensures allergens are trapped in the machine instead of expelled into the air you breathe. Maintenance is fast and easy with a push button that releases dirt from the collection bin. Powerful and easy to maneuver, the Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2 vacuum makes every home surface noticeably cleaner.